Hello everyone, it's Dr. Shalini Gupta at the Dermatology, Laser and Vein Center. And we are so excited to talk to you about the latest innovation in skin tightening. It's a procedure called BodyTite. So here at DLVC, we're always looking to bring you, the patient, the best technologies and procedures that are available in the market that are FDA approved and that show good results so that we can get you a nice, non-invasive or minimally invasive procedure without having to go through surgery. Body tightening is a highly requested procedure here. Patients don't like when their skin begins to sag, either from just normal aging and loss of collagen with time from having children, or from weight gain and subsequent weight loss. Traditionally, the procedures for removing excess skin were primarily surgical. So you could have a tummy tuck or a brachioplasty or a total body lift or a leg lift. And patients sometimes do require that type of a procedure when there is just a very excessive amount of skin. But for the majority of patients, they're able to benefit from a non-invasively or a minimally invasive procedure that is an intermediary between having surgery and something completely non-invasive. So the best procedure right now is called BodyTite. It's made by InMode Technologies, and it uses a tiny little probe that travels under the skin to directly target the fibrous tissue that we want to contract and tighten. In the process, if there's a bit of excessive fat, it will actually also kill that fat at the same time and work on cellulite. So a lot of really great advantages to using a technology like this. Prior to BodyTite, a similar technology we were using that you may have heard me talking about in the past is called ThermiRF. And ThermiRF used the same type of idea and similar type of technology, although it was monopolar. Now we don't require a grounding pad with BodyTite. But what's really great about it is the precision, the more controlled, basically monitoring of the heat, both internally and externally. And also the speed of delivery of the radio frequency makes it a less tiresome procedure for the patient. So the most common areas that we get requests for tightening are usually the stomach and then the arms and thighs. And I think BodyTite works particularly well for the stomach and especially for the arms, where you can avoid having a large scar from your elbow to your armpit, and in the stomach area where you can avoid a big scar from hip to hip. We can also use another sort of part of BodyTite is called FaceTite, which is a smaller probe that we can use to treat the chin and contour the jowls and the neck. And then the smallest probe is called AccuTite, and it's really cute, but we can essentially use it even in the delicate areas around the eyes. We can get a really nice forehead lift, get rid of the bags under the eyes, and even treat around the nasolabial fold. We can also do essentially a breast lift using BodyTite or FaceTite, and avoid, again, having a scar around the areolas and around the breasts, because we're trying to do these procedures to look our best, to feel confident, and a lot of times patients don't want the scarring that's associated with having that type of improvement, unless, of course, it's absolutely necessary. And then, of course, these procedures are also done strictly under local numbing, so you're not going under general anesthesia, you don't have the extensive recovery time afterwards. You can be pretty much on your feet within just a few days. I mean, you're walking and ready to go immediately. You wear a compression garment for maybe a few days to a week and then resume all your normal activities afterwards. Not much recovery time either. We might see bruising sometimes, but otherwise it's primarily some swelling that, again, is usually gone within a week or so. You will see results gradually over time. So that's one place where this is going to be a little different from a surgical procedure where you see the result right away. This is going to work with your body to regenerate that tissue, to make it healthy again, and that just takes a little bit of time for that whole wound healing response to happen. Some of the results are immediate, especially the fat loss and the cellulite loss. But the skin tightening will actually continue to just get better and better over time. Usually at around 4 to 6 months is where we'd like to see what's happening, and the improvements actually continue to happen even up to a year. And the results are long lasting. Thank you so much for watching. Do like and subscribe and leave us some comments. We'd love to hear from you, see what your thoughts are. If you have any questions, let us know. We're here for you to help you on this journey. Thank you so much.